In this video, we will demonstrate the proper assembly and disassembly of the Goulian skin graft knife set using the Webster knife handle, WecPrep blade, and Goulian guard. Using a needle holder, pick up the WecPrep blade. Be sure to attach the needle holder on the side of the blade, not on the leading edge of the blade, to avoid possible damage to the blade. Pick up your Webster skin graft handle firmly in your opposite hand. Align the blade with the distal end of the handle. Using the needle holder, smoothly slide the WecPrep blade onto the handle until the blade is firmly seated. To load Goulian guards on the knife handle, carefully align the end of the Goulian guard with the distal end of the WecPrep blade and knife handle. Slide the Goulian guard smoothly onto the handle until the guard reaches the stop. Note that loading resistance of the guard onto the handle is normal and designed to prevent the guard from shifting once loaded. If resistance is not felt during loading of the guard, do not use, and replace the guard. Visually verify that the prep blade is fully guarded. The WecPrep blade should be completely shielded with no exposed edges by the Goulian guard. Using a downward motion of the wrist, verify that the guard does not shift. If the guard shifts, exposing the prep blade, do not use, and replace the guard. Directly after use, disassemble the guard and prep blade from the knife handle. To remove the guard, using your hand, slide the guard off the handle. You may feel some resistance, and that is normal. To disassemble the blade, use the needle holder to grasp the side of the blade and slide the blade off the handle. WecPrep blades are disposable, one-time use products that should be discarded after use. Remove coarse contamination from the handle and guard and keep the instruments moist for transit to the processing site.